presented to you by MX3 and Air Asia.
With IG-perfect sceneries, vlog-worthy marine parks, and a rich history and culture, we're definitely in for a great adventure. As we continue our food adventures, we also take the time to appreciate the many spots and scenery that define Kota Kinabalu. Kelly Misa Fernandez, and this is Trending with Kelly in Kota Kinabalu. After exploring the local food scene here in Sabah, I have to say I'm impressed with the bold and vibrant flavors that define Kota Kinabalu cooking. And now, I can't wait to discover more as we continue learning how to make authentic home-cooked dishes, thanks to local residents Florianos and his wife Mariana. Now, what dishes will we be making today?
We will use local vegetables, okay?
Okay, of course.
One of them is jungle fern, which we call pakis.
Oh, pakis.
Yes.
Okay.
And the next one will be bamboo shoot.
Okay, bamboo shoot.
We have abundance bamboo shoot here.
Yeah.
We have another one. We call it kinava. Kinava is fish, raw fish.
Okay, so yeah, let's go. Shall we go? Yes.
All right.
A wide array of products from countries surrounding Borneo can be found in their markets. Some of the readily available ingredients reminded me so much of our very own food products from the Philippines. I can only imagine what unique flavors can come from a mix of these culinary traditions. This is what I found in my search for that authentic Bornean taste. The next dish that we're going to cook is the pakis or pako.
You see here,
Okay.
you just pluck the young shoot. Now I've added in the shallot, garlic, dried prawns,
Dried
and
shrimp.
also the shrimp paste. I will just put a bit of this.
The dried shrimp, the shallots, and shrimp paste, of
Shrimp
course.
paste and, now I'm gonna add water.
Okay, and put the seasoning, the oyster sauce.
Okay, so I'm gonna put it
Okay,
in
yeah.
now.
That is so quick.
That's
And
right.
it's cooked, right?
Yeah, it's just cooked. I'll just add in red chilies just for garnishing.
Wow. So this is the final product. Okay, on to the next dish. We have the bamboo shoot.
Yeah, we fried it with oyster sauce, plum sauce, together with
The seasoning.
and a bit of salt.
So what's
So,
the first
okay.
thing we need to do?
Okay. Actually, this is already pre-cooked
Okay.
because I want to take off the bitterness. Well, because this is taken from the bamboo beside the river. So it's not the jungle bamboo.
The jungle
The
bamboo
is
is
sweet.
Sweet, okay.
Whereas the river bamboo, the shoot is a bit bitter.
Okay.
So that's why I boil it.
And no more bitterness.
I see just a bit of hoisin.
Together with oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce.
And this is the plum sauce.
Plum sauce.
And add water.
Yep.
Okay.
Just to, you know,
To mix
first.
everything together. Okay.
So,
Yep.
this is done.
Yeah. So if you're in a rush, this is the perfect dish to
Yep.
serve a
To
group
serve
of hungry
hungry people.
hungry people. What is it?
This is a wild ginger family. So
and this is unique to Kota Kinabalu.
it is actually.
It's my first time to see
Yeah.
it.
You see, this one is the hard part of it. So we don't take this hard part.
Oh, okay. So you have to peel it like corn.
Okay? That's the soft part. So this is the end product.
The next dish is
Inaba.
inaba.
So the Filipino is
Yeah.
kinilaw.
Kinilaw, yeah. And this is
Barracuda fish.
barracuda, okay.
Here we're gonna use lime,
Yes.
the root of jungle mango, big onion, and ginger. This bitter gourd
Bitter gourd.
and
Okay.
celery.
So aside from barracuda, what other fish can you use for
We
this
use
dish?
shark and tangiri.
Oh, tangiri. And did
Yeah.
you say shark?
Yep.
Shark. Okay, so we chopped up the fish and we added the onions and the dried mango.
Yeah. And also this
Oh, ginger.
ginger, lime.
I noticed you don't use vinegar for your kinilaw. Why is that?
You see, the taste will be different. The taste of vinegar is different
From the lime.
from lime. And then on top of that, okay, I'm gonna add in salt,
Okay, yes.
a bit of this,
Yeah.
paria,
For us, it's ampalaya.
ampalaya.
There you have it. We did authentic homegrown dishes that has the flavors of Kota Kinabalu. All right, so now it's time to eat.
Makan.
Oh, yes, exactly.
Anong makan?
Let's go. Let's
Okay.
do it.
I was pleasantly surprised that I enjoyed cooking as a tourist. This local cooking class offers a unique experience unlike anything I tried before. It definitely gives me a renewed appreciation of the varied food that stems from our different culture and traditions.
Filipino say kinalaw.
Kinilaw. Yeah.
Kinilaw.
Let's try.
Just try. So refined.
It's delicious.
Try this again. Compliment.
Okay.
I can't believe I was able to pull that off. Cooking 6 authentic native dishes that I am happy to learn and try at home. And can I just say, the taste was incredible. This made me so proud that I was able to prepare these dishes, and in record time.